is WillItSmash, and today we're going to be smashing an alarm clock.
Generously donated by, I don't know your name.
Addy's Tutorials.
Yeah, okay. Wait, aim for the black line. Wow, I did so much. Wait, not yet, not yet. Here, go up and throw it. So you can have my spot.
Hey, I'm throwing after Atticus, though.
No, Peyton is.
And then I'm after Peyton.
Alright. Still going. Even though you probably knew that, because why would I turn it off and then start it again? Oh my god, look at that bug. Alright, aim for the black line. Alright, Peyton. Peyton.
Fine, just throw it back up. Yeah, just throw it up.
No, Peyton's all the way down, I think. Peyton, where are you?
He came back up. Just throw it.
Oh, he did? Here, let Pei throw it. Black line.
It's bleeding out.
Alright, my turn with the first person view. Joe's on the phone. Wow. Alright, first person view. Here we go for a little first person.
Bye.
Addy, come up here and throw it one more time.
Here you go, Addy. Here we go, here we go.
Come on. Let's do this.
Here, let me throw it again. 3-2.
Okay.
Yeah, Joey has to leave it forward. And it's 3-2.
Wait, let me get all these pieces before you throw it again. You know what? They don't want to see that. Just throw it.
Oh, cool. I'm just going to smack it against the wall. What the hell did I do? God, you don't want to hit yourself.
Throw it.
No, I didn't.
It's not doing. Oh, I missed it.
Right here, let me try. Right here, come right here, right here. Here, Ryan, let me, here, come right here. Oh my god. Go.
Alright guys, let's get all these pieces and take a look at it.
Guys, our finale is December 16th, and I'll be making something out of all the pieces. You do it.
My camera's getting wet.
Here, go, let me see.